Hey guys, what's up? Daniel here. Today we're taking a look at the iPhone 11 in this yellow color. So this is the second one we got. We already opened up the purple one, so we can compare that in this video. But we just opened up the box. I kind of already removed the plastics and everything. That way we get rid of that waste of time. But 64 gigabyte model, $700. Honestly, not badly priced. Of course, you can get slightly better devices with some better screens and stuff out there, but this has a solid camera and very solid internals for the price. So let's go ahead and remove it from the box. Oddly enough, this year they only have a film on the front, which is very easy to remove. It's not a screen protector, just in case. Some people think it's a screen protector for some reason and keep it on. And yeah, here we're gonna have the Apple stickers and SIM card tool, and I had not noticed that in the other one, but nice SIM card tool on these, I guess because they're unlocked. But yeah, we have a normal wall charger, earpods again, and lightning. Of course, if you're watching numerous unboxings, it's obviously that's what you get in the box all the time. The only difference is that in the Pro now we do get a USB Type-C to lightning, as well as a larger little power brick that does fast charging, which is nice. And that's how you can really tell you're a pro person. You get one of those cables and a fast charger. And yeah, so let's box this up, put this over to one side, and here we have the yellow color. Now, of course, we had a yellow one last year with the XR, and considering this is the successor to the XR, it is worth noting that straight off the bat, these phones feel significantly better than the XR for some reason. There's just something about maybe the weight and feel, and maybe it's these new glass that they're using. They're using stronger glass panels, which definitely was a must because the XR last year, I know a ton of people broke theirs. Even my brother broke his with a very minor drop. And yeah, this looks pretty darn good. Basically, the two camera rings here, they have some slightly golden accents, which look pretty good. Then the back is a slightly better yellow than last year, and I feel like the border on the yellow has been improved quite a bit because last year it had a slight gold and odd sheen to it that I wasn't quite a fan of, but I think this year it definitely looks a heck of a lot better than last year's. So let's go ahead and I don't know why I'm turning it on because I'm not setting up, but let's turn it on and let's put a case here, or two cases on here that I thought were pretty good to showcase the colors. So we have a clear case. This one is from Subcase, and that looks pretty good. I know Apple made one as well. I have that one, but we'll review that one once we unbox all the colors so I can show it to you guys all together. You can see how the phone layer looks through a clear case. Pretty dang good. Quite similar to the XR, however, there is a slight difference to where this color is significantly better in my opinion. Like, I would definitely consider buying this yellow color, but definitely not the one from last year with the XR. Let's go ahead and put a slim case on it that would technically hide most of the color here. So it basically hides all the borders, all the edges and everything. So the whole front just goes to a normal black. Then you have the accents here with the slight yellow on the side. And on the back, we have the two camera rings and that frosted glass, which looks really, really nice. And honestly, I wish I would have gone with a frosted glass as well on the Pros, but I haven't seen the Pros, so maybe those look good too. But overall, heck of a nice phone. Feels really nice in the hand. Yellow color is very nice. And I think ultimately I'm gonna end up liking every single color this year just because they're really nice colors. So we have three basically pastel colors that remind me of like a Nintendo DS. And then we have the black, white, and red, which we'll get to in a few, and we'll check that out. So here, just as a quick comparison, since we got them both in our hands, there you go. That is the yellow, that is the purple, and they both look really, really good. They look like candies. They look really nice. If you like either color, I think you'd be satisfied with either one without even looking at it in the store this year because they just look really nice. And there is kind of like this matted kind of tone to the overall color, which just makes it look really great, especially with this gray background. I think it looks really nice. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And that you can reach out to me on Twitter at @RMRDNL or on Instagram, and I will get back to you there as well. So let me know what you guys think about these two colors and which one you'd get in the comments below. And I'll catch you guys in the next video.